वैसे तो कहा जाता है कि टाइम मूव्स अस ऑन, वक्त सारे जख्म भर देता है, लेकिन when it comes to bitter breakups or divorces, exes often find it hard to stay cordial with each other. But while some, like Kareena and Shahid, have never worked together or even kept in touch after their split, others like Hrithik and Suzanne remain connected for the sake of their kids. There was a time when breakups in Bollywood meant cold wars, friends choosing sides, and even the concerned individuals never working together again in any capacity. But looks like वक्त के साथ film industry में भी काफी changes आए हैं, and being able to stay cordial and even friends with your ex has become quite normal. Whether it's Deepika and Ranbir or Suzanne and Hrithik, axing the ex isn't the mantra anymore. Take a look. Deepika Ranbir. This was a breakup that remained fodder for gossip columns many years on, especially after Deepika went on record to say that the relationship ended after Ranbir had cheated on her more than once. Deepika and Ranbir parted on quite a bitter note, and Deepika, जिन्होंने कभी रणबीर के initials अपने neck पे tattoo किए थे, took time to forgive her ex and move on. But move on she did, and the two went on to work together in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani and Tamasha. They now share a cordial equation, and Deepika is now great friends with Ranbir's girlfriend Alia as well. Recently, Deepika ke birthday pe Ranbir and Alia were on the guest list, and it looks like this once upon a time couple has truly moved on with their lives. Hrithik Suzanne. Hrithik Roshan and Suzanne Khan shocked the entire country when they announced their separation. The two had a fairy tale romance before getting married and having two sons, Rehan and Ridan. But almost 13 years after their wedding, this once-in-love couple parted ways amicably and even remained friends ever since. The two have always prioritized their role as parents to their sons and are often spotted having meals or even taking holidays together as a family so that their sons can spend time with both their parents. Recently, lockdown ke dauran, Suzanne moved back into Hrithik's home so that they could co-parent their children, and on Hrithik's birthday this month, Suzanne shared a heartfelt message. Salman and Katrina. Though this pair never admitted to their relationship, Salman and Katrina were rumored to be dating for several years in the initial phase of Katrina's Bollywood career. The two reportedly parted ways, after which Katrina dated Ranbir Kapoor for almost 6 years. Salman is famous for holding grudges, lekin he has kept his relationship with Katrina cordial, and the two even worked together on the second Tiger franchise film and Bharat in 2019. Later this year, this former rumored couple will be kicking off Tiger 3, where they will play a romantic couple again.